What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hello, 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 hello. I am so excited about you finding me again. So guess what? We back in it. We back in it. Let's do it.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time?
Beautiful babes, what is up? Oh my goodness. Listen, y'all, today it's your girl, Sweet Angel, coming to you with another fun facial mask, okay? Today, prepare to be amazed. Now, what if a common kitchen ingredient could unlock your skin's collagen potential and help soften the look of fine lines? I'm back at it again. This is one that you have already seen me do before, okay? I'm doing it again because I like to do this one. This is one of my faves, y'all. Excuse the way I'm talking because this mask is tightening as I speak. Today, you're about to discover a gentle, incredibly accessible beauty treatment you can make at home. Trust me, this one is a game changer. Now, y'all know how we do it, so listen to me. If I told you the secret to smoother skin is sitting right in your pantry, you'd probably say, nah. But hold up, we all know the frustration. Fine lines creeping in, expensive creams that don't deliver, and treatments that feel out of reach. But what if there was a natural, affordable alternative getting a lot of attention lately? And boom, enters in this gelatin mask. Okay. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. Let's talk about the science of gelatin and why it works. Collagen and elastin are the proteins responsible for keeping skin firm and bouncy. Gelatin is basically cooked down collagen that's hydrolyzed. And when used in a mask, it creates a temporary tightening effect that can make fine lines appear smoother. While topical collagen doesn't absorb deep into the skin, it does sit on the surface, giving a plumping, smoothing look. Now, y'all, don't get it twisted. This is not magic. It won't permanently erase wrinkles, but it can leave your skin looking firmer, tighter, and refreshed. Let me show you how to mix it up. Come on in the kitchen. We're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of the unflavored gelatin. This is pretty much 1 tablespoon here, so we'll just pour it in. And then we'll be taking 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now, if you choose to, you can add in 1 teaspoon of honey or aloe gel for added hydration. Perfect. So you just add the gelatin to the bowl and pour it in the hot water and mix it until smooth. And like I said, you can add in honey or aloe if you desire. We'll let it cool down slightly until it becomes a little warm and spreadable. Now, of course, this is one that you got to work swiftly with because this gelatin will go ahead and thicken up real quickly. And so now we're just going to apply a thin, even layer to our skin. So girl, focus on that forehead, around the mouth, and under the eyes. And make sure you avoid, your lashes, your brows, your hairline, because it will pull that hair out if you don't. Okay. And we're just going to leave this on to let it dry. And it's going to take about 10-15 minutes. It's going to get really tight. Now, in order to remove it, all you have to do is just peel it off gently or rinse it off, whichever one you choose. If you want to get rid of all that peach fuzz on your face, honey, go ahead and peel it. You will feel the difference. And also to help clear out your pores, it will help in that as well. I can feel it tightening already on my mouth area as I'm talking. It's amazing. So it's all dry now. Oh my God, it is so tight, y'all. I'm probably going to have to do a little bit of both, like peeling it and also rinsing it. So, oh gosh, it's got my eye flipped. Okay, jeez. What have I done? Missed this. Thank goodness I did shave my face on yesterday, because I would be crying right now. Wow.
This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a medical professional, and this DIY gelatin mask is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any skin condition. Everyone's skin is different, so results may vary. Always patch test first and discontinue use if irritation occurs. For concerns about your skin or allergies, consult a licensed dermatologist or healthcare provider.
So now let's talk about the real world results of this mask and just some tips. You may notice a temporary tightening effect, skin that looks smoother, fine lines appearing softer. Now the frequency of this mask, use it 1 to 2 times a week if you choose. Now be sure to do a patch test on a small area first. Now some people may experience mild redness or tightness. Totally normal. Now, no mask is a miracle, but it's a great addition to your routine. To support collagen naturally, eat vitamin C rich foods, boost protein and amino acids, stay hydrated, and protect your skin from the sun daily. Now, if you tried this gelatin mask, let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap in for more simple natural beauty hacks that make self-care feel easy.
Walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. said, baby, what's been going on?
You said life and but I'm holding on.
Then you looked at me, smiled real wide.
Smile real wide.
Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round. Yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block.
We'll laugh till we cry.
Then we'll laugh non-stop.
Yeah, it's been too long, but we pick up so easy.
Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a vintage bottle